Welcome to Old Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, the #1 XRP and gold investing insider on YouTube. Please smash the like, subscribe buttons, support Old Vincenzo with Super Chat, along with becoming members of Jabroni Killers. Yes, see. On April 1st, 2024, there was a massive manipulated organized crash of XRP, down 4.69%. Yes, manipulation's a criminal, haha. Yes, era fleeced retail traders, stupid. Yes, see, they outseated, controls you and hook you into loop of misinformation. Bitcoin was fleeced by criminal gangsters, down 4.13% below $68,969. They will overtly walk away with retail money. Yes, we're talking about you. Old Vincenzo's unleashed a specialized, trained, covert Black Ops recon team. On March 29th, we sent out Lockheed U-2, nicknamed Dragon Lady, to record the market dump taking place. Old Vincenzo can confirm massive criminal manipulation and will not stop until we exposed all the members, just like Buff Daddy was.
The first day of April, otherwise known as April Fool's Day, on this overcast, windy, seasonable temperatures of 50 degrees in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area in central Illinois. And just as we're tracking criminal gangsters, fleece heisters, and shysters, yes, manipulators and gangsters and fleecers out there to heist, fleeced, and shice the retail trader. See, yes, you dummy, the retail trader, and walk away with all your hard-earned fucking money. We've had our intel with Joe Rogan. Thank you for that dynamite, inspirational, and educational intro. And as he said, bell notification, super chat, become members of Jabroni Killer to support channel as we continue to expose these heisters, fleecers, and shysters, just like Puff Daddy was exposed, right? We're going to not stop. We're going to have no wall unturned, no bridge seized and looked at, no wilderness or continent or ocean or glacier will be spared. And we will find you and we will expose you, just as the Bitcoin price is down 4% in a manipulated dump. XLM is down better than 6.5%, and an orchestrated and executed flawlessly along with its great partner XRP, 4.41%, AMP 7.5%, Shiba down 10% from yesterday. And across the board, we've been dumped, we've been manipulated, and we've been fleeced. But that's why Old Vincenzo's here, to keep you out ahead of this. And we told you about if we fell and we got broken down after this rising channel, after this humongous rally from the $15,000 low. There's your rising channel, just as wide at the beginning as at the end. It's a bullish continuation pattern, but a bearish reversal pattern at the top, as a rounding top is often noticed and seen here as the buyers or the bulls become exhausted and the sellers or the bears take over the market, and the price is going to come down. And then you had it come down initially to the 200-day moving average in the 4-hour time frame, down to about $61,176.21, and then we pumped back up to $71,369, and now we're having a step down fashion, and we're coming back to that $66,355.92. If you fail that, you're coming down to $58,773, and that is a critical support and resistance level, because it rides at precisely the same point as the uptrending major rising channel that we've been in, and the Bitcoin price since the aforementioned low way back here. See that? And that is the major underneath support, along with the horizontal purple line at 58,700, and the uptrending in blue, the rising channel. The horizontal line is the major underneath support from the 2021-2022 blow-off mountain double top that started the bear market, right? And these are your levels on your way down. And if you fail that level in an uptrending fashion, you would come run up into this $43,000 range now, right? The bottom part, the major bottom part of, and just above the AKA last line of defense, or the shithouse box down there, the 42,358, right? You would have to hold. There's a big fall, but that's already a big fall from where you're at if you even came down near the $42,000 level. And some people don't even think you can come down that far. Old Vincenzo believes you can come down that far in a major bull market correction, because not only does the pattern say this should break down and have some kind of capitulation to the downside. Not capitulation, but a sell-off, profit taking, and get out the weak hands and shake out some of the shysters, right? And that's what we're looking at there. And the Bitcoin price as we move along into the XRP price we'll do next, just to make sure it gets its due time. The XRP price is the same thing. We have our major 3 areas of rejection with those beautiful big green arrows, right? You see that up there? And then we have the same rising channel, phenomenal bull market run off the big bear market, right? Starting back in June, May and June of about 2022. And we've had a couple of big pushes, big blow off top signified by the green arrows, the lovely big green arrows, but we've been rejected each and every time. We had to manipulate it in the orchestration from the criminal gangsters pump back in July of 2023. Then it dumped. Then we had another pump, and then it dumped. It got rejected off of the uptrending rising channel, and then we pumped a few months later and hit that rising channel again. And the blue trading zone and the rising channel is this major overhead resistance of where sellers are, the weak hands, the profit takers, and the easily manipulated and moved. Got them trading 16 waves from yesterday, and they're losing money hand over fist while we're sitting here accumulating our bags and riding the waves and understanding there will be dumps. And if we break this rising channel to the downside, and our first area that we're threatening to break again is this underneath 57 cents, the bottom part of this blue trading zone. If we break that, we come all the way down to the 49 cents. If we come down to the 49 cents, obviously we come back down to this critical 37 cent level. That was major support and resistance for the better part of a year, right? And then that's something that we have to watch out for. And something else in the news department that we should be paying attention to, and that we told you, XRP released some more XRP out of escrow, which they do once a month. And when they do that, that creates more XRP into the open market, which temporarily will knock the price down. This guy's not fucking paying attention. Yeah, you're not paying attention, buddy. But that'll temporarily knock the price down. And then you need extra buyers to suck up and absorb the extra coins, right? And that's what's going on in this quick market update. Ripple CTO rejects proposal to donate 30 billion XRP to XRPL Foundation. So that's some news. $500 million XRP unlocked from Ripple escrow. That's what I was talking about right there. The $500 million in recent development. Ripple has withdrawn a substantial sum from its escrow, as it does on a daily basis, and old Vincenzo has been on top of this from the very beginning. The company unlocked 500 million XRP earlier today. However, this sets a particular with hold apart, blah, blah, blah. At present, Ripple reportedly holds 39.6 million XRP in its account, a fraction of what unlocked today with 500 million XRP, translating a value of $307.15 million, right? Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love, my beautiful